What's going on everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now I've been using Pitaka cases for a long time. This has been my go-to for the S24 Ultra. This is the Moonrise. Absolutely love this case with its camera housing right here and stuff like that, but people don't really like this style case because it doesn't offer too much protection when the phone is inside. So if you slap in my S24 Ultra, as you can see, the sides on it are very clear to see. You can literally see the sides. The bottom is got like a little split just at the charge port, and the screen is also very out and open. I still enjoy the case, I really do. They've finally done it. We've been waiting a long time. There's been a few emails back and forth, and they finally sent me the brand new MagEZ Case Pro 4. This time though, we've got something a little bit different because it's called the Pin Button case. So where you've got your volume rocker and your power button, this has got that, but then on the other side it's got extra buttons. So let's get into it. This right here, Pin Button case, MagEZ Case Pro 4 for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in the black grey. Pin button, premium aramid fibre on the side. MagEZ Case Pro 4 for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Says open here, we'll do that in a sec. Pin button design. 3 convenient pin buttons allow quick access to customized apps with just a simple press. All around protection, which is obviously different to the normal MagEZ case that we normally know and love. You've got premium materials, MagSafe compatible. So pin button, all around protection, MagSafe compatible, and it's lightweight. Let's not waste any time. Open it up, and there we go. So this QR code you can scan, and it'll take you to Pitaka's website, and you can see all the social media channels they've got. This is how you customize your favorite apps and gain quick access to simple press of the pin button. However, scanning this right now doesn't do anything. It doesn't take you anywhere just yet because obviously they haven't uploaded it, because this is still very brand new. Let's take it out. On the bottom here you got get ready, the game is about to begin. This will take you to the Pitaka website basically, so you just scan with your phone, and then the removal instruction on how to remove the case. Get that in there and place it out the way, because there is also, this is unusual for Pitaka, I've never normally seen something like this. We've got a piece of cardboard inside the case itself to protect that inner lining, because the inner lining is like a microfiber felt material. Feels really nice, but obviously it is going to get dust. You got the Pitaka logo in the middle with the MagSafe ring, this camera housing to protect your cameras. There is the pin buttons that you're going to use to open your favourite app. On this side, your volume rocker, your volume up and your volume down, and your power button. On the back, there is that Pitaka logo right on the bottom right here. So as you can see the difference between the Pro and the non-Pro. Pitaka logo on the bottom, Pitaka logo up on the top. Camera housing is nice. It's, even though it's not like that one, I mean it is raised up completely, so you're not going to damage those camera lenses. Cut out on the top for your mics, and then you cut out on the bottom for your S Pen charger and your speaker port. And it actually says here, designed by Pitaka on the bottom. Been so looking forward to this case. There's been so many emails back and forth. It went crazy. They were having a few issues getting it done, but here it is. Finally, we have the Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's go ahead and slap my S24 Ultra into this guy. And there we go. Feels amazing already, but let's go round the back. So Pitaka logo on the bottom. Cameras are nice and recessed into the housing, so you can place it face down like so. There is a lip running all the way around the edge, but I have got a screen protector on mine. But as you can see, it goes over ever so slightly, so I can place it face down and not have to worry it is touching the case, even with a screen protector on. So it seems like it wouldn't touch with this without the screen protector on, but with it I think it touches just ever so slightly. So I wouldn't place it face down if you did have a screen protector, if you didn't want to scratch it. So obviously underneath, perfect placement for your mic, your charge port, your speaker, and of course easy access to your S Pen. Now it is a bit of a, there's enough gap in there to get you, let me just show you, you need to have a bit of a fingernail in order to get your S Pen out, because it is nice and recessed inside there, and you got that design by Pitaka across the bottom. Power button and your volume rocker, nice and clicky. And then you got these buttons on the side right here. So if I click one, see, new tag collected, empty tag. So now you're going to set the tags up. Okay, so as of now, that QR code does not work. However, I'm going to be able to show you how to set this up. If you scroll down and you go to your settings, if you go to modes and routines, go to routines, as you can see I've already got one added. If I go to add one, add an NFC tag, empty tag, as you can see. So we go to the plus sign, figure what this routine will do. So if you go to that one, you want to scroll down, NFC tagged. So if you keep your finger on it, then you can name it. So we'll name this one, let's have this one open up, YouTube. And obviously you can have these doing whatever you want. So add condition and add what this routine will do. So you add what this routine will do. Open an app or do an action. Go all the way down until you get to YouTube. So open YouTube, click done, click save. So to make your own little colour. So let's go with red for YouTube. Click done, done. So now as you can see I've got NFC tag, which I'll change the name of because that is Waze. And then we've got YouTube. So if I come out of this and if I click on this side tag piece here, opens up YouTube. You tick the top one, opens up Ways to start your navigation. It's pretty cool, but that is how you set up those routines. Back to the case, because inside is not a nice microfiber felt lining as I thought it was. It is actually Napa leather, and it smells so good. So good. The case is actually made with premium aramid fibre materials. As always, Pitaka is known for those premium aramid fibre materials. Feels great, nice and grippy. I am looking forward to using this case full time. This is the case we've been waiting for. Let's test out MagSafe. So we've got my Apple MagSafe battery pack. If we slap it onto the back of the phone, clicks in. It is now charging. Shake test. It ain't coming off. So there's that. So let's bring in the Nomad base stand. Let's slap it onto the back. So slaps right in. It is now wirelessly charging, and voila. Pitaka's MagSafe, unbeaten, literally unbeaten. And of course you can use this in the car with the likes of the Pitaka car mount. You can use it with other car mounts, you know, anything that's MagSafe you're going to be able to use this case with. So of course the other big question is if you got a MagSafe battery pack or it's on a MagSafe charger, what happens to the S Pen? I'm just going to show you. So let me take out the S Pen like so. Goes to a note. So then let's start. Okay. Up to now, no problems with lines. So let's go for the signature test. Nope. Absolutely perfect. No issues whatsoever. So you can write, draw, whatever you need to do. But Pitaka have knocked this right out the park, and those NFC buttons, those quick actions. I mean, I'm going to set up my last one to open up Google Wallet, so I'm able just to tap and pay. So just keep your finger on it, tap, pay, done. You're out the door. As I know that when you swipe up on the Samsung, it opens up the Samsung Wallet. I've disabled that. I'll enable the third button to open up my Google Wallet. So then I've got Waze, YouTube, Google Wallet. Can't go wrong with that. Protection for your cameras, protection for your screen as long as you don't have a screen protector on. Those NFC tags, the premium aramid fibre, the Napa leather inside, the nice clicky tactile buttons. What more could you ask for? But you're having the normal Pitaka MagEZ cases. These are 600D. This is 1500D aramid fibre. Super nice, super durable, nice and protected. What more could you ask for? Link in the description down below to where you can pick this case up for yourself. Be sure to let me know what you think of it. I think it's fantastic. We've been waiting for this case for so long, and Pitaka have finally done it. This will be my go-to case now every single time. Stay tuned for what's my top 10 cases for the S24 Ultra. That will be coming soon. Full playlist right at the very end. Be sure to click on it. Check out all the other S24 Ultra videos we've done. If there's anything else you would like to see, if there's any other cases you think I should check out, let me know in those comments. And as I say, link in the description to where you can pick this guy up for yourself. And that is how you set up those modes. So make sure you tell everyone when people go, oh my god, no one's saying how to set these up, bring them to this video. I've showed them how to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.